Today we're going to do a review about 3-in-1 cell holder. Here we go. Hello everyone, my name is Steph. Today the review, it's about that company WOCBUY, those 3.1 cell phone holder. We can look at the box in front here. They show you the picture, 3-in-1. On the side they show you how to mount it. On the other side too. On top. Let's open it. Let's look inside to see what exactly we have. So we have two bags, and some whip. Let me show you. So we have a whip dry and a whip wet when it's time to install the cup holder. Okay, this is the mount. And that's going to be the cup, so it's not really hard, eh? Let's put it all together. And here, voila. On the bottom we need to take it out the sticker when it's time to, and when it's time to put it on the dash, just be sure you clean your dash. Just put it, you have a clamp here, just clip it, and voila. Here what I did, I tie here to be okay. The length of the mount can go to 4.5 to 6.5. The weight of the item is 250 grams. What exactly we're going to do? We're going to install it and try it and test it to see if everything is holding perfectly. Let me look first. Not bad. Okay, that's going to be good. Okay, let's go test it. Let me tell you my opinion about the item. When it's time to screw like here, you can feel that strong. It's not cheap. Yeah, I buy it on Amazon, but you can feel it's not cheap really. So that's going to be fun to try it.
The first thing I did, I talked with my wife just to be sure where exactly we're going to install the cell holder, and we put it in the middle of the car. So if you want to look, I'm going to show you right now. So we put it in the middle of the car, so like that, when it's time to charge, the wire is not going to be that far, and we'll put it there. And it's nice, it's strong, the cup is really good. To do a test drive to see if the cell holder really can hold my cell phone, my Samsung. So let's go for a ride. Okay, for sure we don't have a lot of bump. Here we have a few. I hope you like this video about this cell holder cup. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in another one. Ciao.